class is done for today and I still got paint on my fingers. But hey, we had fun. Let's go inside. As it's holiday season, a lot of us tend to travel and take flights. And then we end up with these weird flight socks without a heel that no one ever uses. Well, let's find something to do with them.
I like this like forestry green.
Yeah.
It's got like a forest. So mine's basically a forest dragon. Wait, if your dragon is red, then that means it's a fire dragon. If your dragon is mostly green, that means it's a forest dragon.
We got felt for the tongue and feathers for the fire.
Okay. Take the black, yes. Like that? Yes. Then you take the black. I'm going to put them in here. Yeah, good. Then what you do is underneath a little bit more, like here. Yeah, here. You make two little dots.
Thank you so much, Anika, for sending in your art project. The fun turned out great and you're doing very, very good. It's fun to see that you're doing our art project, so keep it up. And I will see you all again next week. Thank you for watching.